How to recover TikTok streak. If you have lost your TikTok streak, then there are few things you can try to recover it. First of all, simply check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection might cause delays in streak updates as well. After done so, let's open the TikTok app on the mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Then simply navigate to the inbox. Just, this is my anonymous account. I do not have any streak with anybody here, but I will still guide you through how to restore your streak button. Now, you will get to see restore button available right next to the person you have streak with. This will restore your streak to the number it was when you lost it. That is, if you lost it on a day 10, it will be restored at day 10. Now, the other streak revival method is simply changing the time zone on your phone. Go to the home screen and tap on the settings app on your mobile device. If you lost your TikTok streak, you don't see an option to restore it, then you can try changing the time zone on your phone to trick the TikTok app into thinking it is earlier than it is. Tap on the general inside the settings, then tap on the date and time. Then simply toggle off the set automatically and tap on the time option available there. First, figure out what time zone you need to be in. Use Google or your favorite search engine to find a time zone that is behind your current time zone that is still in the previous day. Then, once done, so return to TikTok and attempt to restore your streak. Note that this method may not work and you may not be able to restore your streak directly, but sometime it does. Now once done so, go back to the TikTok app on your mobile device and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now once inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen. Then options will be available. From there, tap on the settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, scroll down unless you see report a problem option available there. Inside report a problem, scroll down and tap on the chat with us. This will get you to a chat with the TikTok help desk where you can request more help. Just know that this is an automated chatbot, but you may be able to get help if you request to speak with a real person as well. Now simply type down that you want to restore your TikTok streak. TikTok bot will provide you the options on your screen as well. Simply tap on any that you can relate to. I'm tapping on the first one, and that is it. You can follow this troubleshooting steps in order to fix the restore option on your TikTok streak. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.